How to remove relationship status on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove relationship status on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information and go down here and here you will find your relationship. Click edit and then click remove and remove it, and as you see relationship has been removed, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.